Meanwhile, President Aquino underscores the importance of faith in surmounting great trials. The President spoke during the Interfaith National Prayer Assembly, marking the 55th anniversary of World Vision. At the same time, the Chief Executive thanked World Vision for its help in uplifting the well-being of thousands of Filipino children. Elena Luna with the details.
As Christmas season draws near, President Aquino calls on all Filipinos to spark the spirit of kindness and community. He gave the call while attending the National Prayer Assembly of the World Vision Development Foundation. In the Philippines, World Vision serves over 100,000 children in more than 33 provinces through its area development programs.
Binigyan ho tayo lahat ng pagkakataon makatulong sa ating kapwa. Talagang sa ganito pong paraan, paggawa po ng pagtulong na yan, pare-pareho tayo sabay-sabay umangat.
To help support their programs for Filipino children, they have over 20,000 volunteers joining through the child sponsorship and other community-driven projects.
Today, we gather to strengthen that faith and to pray for our collective hopes. More than that, however, we are also celebrating an organization dedicated to giving others back their ability to hope. World Vision has given children a chance to realize their dreams, while all those with resources a chance to enrich their lives by helping others. Your work has empowered many from different sectors to defeat the culture of negativity and replace it with a culture of compassion. For that, I thank you and congratulate you.
According to the Chief Executive, showing Filipino compassion should not be seasonal, and that the hearts of Filipino children must remain lit with hope. As the President was about to wrap up his speech, his persistent coughing interrupted. But he was quick to throw a joke about it, delighting an estimated 12,000 participants of the prayer assembly.
Sensya na po, may nakaalala ko yata sa atin. Sana ko makilala ko na siya sa darating na panahon.
For the People's Television, Elena Luna.